require coral grows deep, so we have to clean this every couple of days. Well, it takes about 45 minutes to an hour to clean each one of these trays thoroughly. But it's so zen-like, like literally,
What are you cleaning it with?
little brush. A lot of times, you know, on the PVC,
That sounds
straight.
satisfying. Yeah.
That's my point. And like literally, I'll look down at my watch after like an hour and a half.
Bring it out my teeth.
And I'll have like,
We have bones inside us, right? This is not alive, but when they are alive, they have really tiny things that look like this that are living. And they have inside of them, they have algae. So this one has its color, right? We would have purple algae here, and then we see its bones. But when the water gets too hot or it gets too dirty and it's not good to live in, they expel that algae. They lose their color, and then they die off and they become this, which is what we're usually seeing on the beach washing up.
Remember when we went to the Keys, I took you to a boat and they were fracturing the coral and they were growing it in the thing?